morning, YouTube. It's Monday morning. It's 6:40 a.m. I'm on my way to Elmira. It's almost 200 miles from home. About 3 hours driving. We're gonna spend a week over there for a 14 rooftop units replacement. It's gonna be pretty much fun. I like this kind of job. We have, so far I know, 6 guys total. So far I know all units are pretty much the same. So I think it's gonna be alright. Alright guys, see you there. We got 14 units. It's all this area. I guess we got 11 pounds on each unit that we have to remove.
Take the on or off when you got here?
On.
I want to make a note of any that were off before we started. If we went to put the park, we didn't realize we were going to test power downstairs. Okay, power's off. We didn't realize when the fuses was blown. So that,
Oh.
So
Okay.
they're off for a reason. Bad compressors, bad heat exchangers, I don't know.
That one, it doesn't have the inducer motor. So I was saying we're gonna do these 4 today and those 4 in the corner, and tomorrow we're gonna do the opposite. Casi Oscar.
Después me apretaba un ratito la pesa, nada más para ver cuánto le metía al tanque ese.
Ah, ok.
Porque la mía se me quedó, se me olvidó traer.
Este pesamos aquel tanque y pesaba 26.
Ok, 26 vacía.
Sí, 26 vacía. Yo la que usé el viernes tenía
el tomo
32.
11 tienes, ¿verdad? Pero quién sabe, si me quedó el tomo no importa.
Sí.
Es lo que es.
They were getting rid of all of them. They want new ones. So worst comes to worst with these fucking things. If we disconnect the 3 bottom lugs, take the screws, and leave the wires in the unit and fucking take the disconnect away. But, you know, see, now there's probably a nut behind there, right?
Yeah.
So they should come off relatively easy. I at least want to identify the breakers and make sure, you know, you're not fucking scrambling for the breakers over there.
It's pretty much labeled downstairs. I don't know if it
So
is.
they had decent labels on?
They got an HVAC panel just for all the rooftops. Everything is there.
Alright. Are you rolling video?
Yeah, you are. And Jay.
Sorry. Are you able to edit out the curses?
Yeah, I can do that. We finish the recovering in this unit. It just took 9.5 pounds. The tag says 11, so she's a little short. So now we're gonna fill this tag and we're gonna put it over here. Every unit is gonna take 1 tag. One of the guys told me that we don't have the rigid hooks, you know, to pick it up with a crane. So now we found a book from one of the units, and in that book it shows an accessory, and those are the hooks, so you can screw it on every corner so we can pick it up with the crane. So that's what we're looking for now. But anyways, what we're gonna do is we're gonna open every unit and see if we can find them. Pretty much we're gonna replace them with these York units. So far I know we're gonna get these units tomorrow. But tomorrow we're gonna do the first. This is gonna be the first stage of replacement. We're gonna get these units with the curve adapter. They're all 5-ton units up on the roof. All of them the same model number, same type. So it's gonna be pretty much easy. You know, no problems. I hope. The thermostat wire comes from the return duct, which probably is gonna be kind of tricky, but anyways, not a big deal. So that's what we got. So we're gonna keep reclaiming. Good morning, YouTube. This is the second day. It's grain day. We have several units power disconnected, so we're gonna start removing the disconnect switches, control wiring. You know that it doesn't take too long.
Where are those hooks?
We got Messina over there. Those are our barometrics, dampers, economizers. We got some more over here. Those are the units. We got the first unit out. Then we're gonna do that one over there, this one, and then we're gonna do the group on the back. Every unit got curve adapter. Let's see what we got.
That's like Pennsylvania with the fucking towns. Climax fucking.
Intercourse, yeah.
Intercourse.
You're gonna take a picture of me falling? Yeah. Oh, nice. See, it's already caught on my shoulder.
Edit.
¿Cuánto te dura la batería? Para un time lapse, por lo menos 2 horas. Pero si te hacen un video bastante así sin parar, 40 minutos. for today. We got 4 units up and running. We got those that we're gonna fire it up tomorrow. Tomorrow we're gonna pick up 4 units over there and these 3 units over here. So it was a hard day today, working non-stop. So the guys took all the stuff. So now back to the hotel, get a hot shower and something to eat.
Huh? What happened? Oh, I see the camera.
Good morning, YouTube. This is our 3rd day. So it's 7 o'clock. You can see how it looks like. Pretty frigid, cold. The good thing it's not windy. We're gonna expect to have a sunny day, so at least it's gonna be a little more comfortable to work. All right, let's get all this up. Messina right there. He's taking care of the ground operations. He's good at it. He's the boss. Hey, Messina! That's Messina right there. Alright, this is one of the units. It's a York. What we've been doing is checking the economizer, of course burning the heat exchanger, and also we need to take this bracket out, which is the one that is holding the compressor during shipping, so that's had to be removed. And we also check the entire unit and the economizer operations, so I'm gonna show you that in a minute. Alright, I just removed those two 5/16 screws to remove the bracket. After that, you have to cut this zip tie they have. Alright, now the bracket comes out, and your compressor now is free. So we had to do that in every unit, and we're gonna check the economizer too. All right, that's the economizer. We got the minimum position set up. Everything is ready. The return and enthalpy sensor are in place. No alarms. Working on heat right now. It's cooling by itself. Another thing that we're gonna check this afternoon is gonna be the phasing, making sure that the phase are correct. Since these blowers are single phase, it cannot be checked. So later on the day, we're gonna check on the compressor, the correct phasing on the unit. I'm gonna remove the bracket on this one too. And it's pretty much done. Pretty much alright. These filters, they're gonna be replaced. These are kind of temporarily filters, you know. They came with the machine. Obviously, I burned the heat exchanger already. I got the cover because I burned it for more than 25 minutes, so it's good enough. Hello YouTube. I had to leave. You know, I have another compromise going on tomorrow. I have to go to Delaware, so we've been doing pretty much a right up on the roof. You know, we're still working on economizers and controls and stuff like that, but everything else is going pretty much as scheduled. The job, it was pretty much alright. You know, it was a great crew. Great guys working, you know, like really nice group, and no major problems. Everything is so far working as supposed to. And the only thing that I still that I don't like is the shooting from the crane. That it didn't came out as I wanted. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to use any part of it, but that's gonna be an experience for next time. But you know, besides that, everything was, you know, everything else was pretty much alright. So I hope you guys enjoyed this short video. And you know, it was a couple of long days up on the roof, and the cold weather, you know, it never stopped, and the wind, it was something that it was, you know, driving you crazy sometimes. And it never stopped, it never stopped, never stopped. Today is very quiet, so it's pretty much good today. It's 40 degrees outside, but at least it's not windy and it's sunny. So I got a little more than 200 miles back home. It's gonna take me about 3 hours of driving. Alright, so this is what it is. I hope you guys enjoy, and I'll see you next time.